A surprise starter para sa TNT with Kim Aurin, mainly to play defense against CJ Perez. Tas bonus pa dahil siya yung naka-opening points dito sa Game 1. I don't like this offense of SMB na ganito yung selection ni Junmar. Yes, pasok to, pero kasi if magiging habit yan the whole game is masama sa flow and it will affect them. Tapos yung defense ng TNT is panggulat talaga. Aminado yung Beerman sa after quarter na interview na they didn't expect this. Yung mga blitz ng TNT sobrang quick pa naman, tapos cover na cover yung passing area kay Junmar. As in nagulo yung offense ng SMB with that. Ito, si J. Perez wants the ball screen pero na-cover agad ni Eram. No angle, kaya tira na lang sa labas. Bad shot selection, mintes. Tapos napapanish ni Kelly Williams yung defense ni Junmar if mag-a-attack siya from the outside. So, time out for SMB. Another problem sa offense ng SMB yung ganito. If madump man kay Junmar ang bola sa post, tapos walang magi-stretch ng floor, magkakaroon lang ng chance yung second line on defense to help. Which nangyari with JP Eram blocking Fajardo kasi andun lang din si Motau Tuo nagpasikip lang sa paint area. Tapos may iwan pa si Junmar sa transition, Kelly Williams going all the way for the end one. Tapos gumana pa yung start ni Simon Enciso, hitting his 3-point shot para lumayo yung lamang ng TNT. Tapos after ni Enciso, pumasok na si Ray ng Batak. And yung matchup is hindi yun yung in-expect siguro ng SMB. Hindi naging Ray ng Batak versus Chris Ross. Kaya, naging effective yung kanyang foul baiting kay Wami Chong. So, naka 2 beses to end the quarter para lumobo pa yung lamang. Checkmate sa first period yung SMB. Pero sa second quarter, merong sagot yung SMB sa interior defense ng TNT. Naglaro sila ng 4 guards, 1 big para lahat is nasa labas talaga So, ayun, nakapwesto na ng maayos si Junmar for the 2 points in the post. Kaso lang may another weapon na naman yung TNT para dito sa SMB, yung bigs na tumitira sa labas. With that, ipapanish ni Poy Eram si Junmar for playing sag sa 3-point distance. Back-to-back outside shot yan for Poy Eram. Tapos ang ganda talaga ng hugot ni Chot Reyes kay Aurin If mag-ISO ball si CJ Perez, kayang-kaya siya pigilan ni Aurin, forcing tough shots. And tapos after ni Eram, si Kelly Williams naman yung nakaka-hit sa labas. Sobrang lala talaga for SMB defense Sa ganung offense, mafu-force na talaga si Junmar to leave the paint. And naging reason naman yun for TNT to run some action in the post. Kaya ayun, walang rim protector Easy 2 points for TNT. Tapos ito, kay heading na nila binigay. Tapos syempre, i-involve si Junmar. Wala talaga makaka-stop kasi burst of speed lang. Wala namang rim protector and one for Jordan Heading. What a first half for TNT. Sa third quarter, tama lang yung point of attack ng SMB kung paano nila i-counter yung TNT. Motau Tuo needs to hit his outside shots to change the scheme of TNT. And ayun na nga, good start for SMB. Tsaka, nagkaroon ng ibang dimension yung SMB simula nung naging creator na rin si Mo nung ina-attack niya yung close out. Hindi yan expected ng TNT and nakakuha rin si Junmar ng mga offensive board. At dahil effective na yung outside ni Mo, yun na yung chance na yung isang big ng TNT is now will go sa wing. Tapos lalapad na yung space ni Junmar. After a good positioning, walang help, kayang-kaya na ni Abay yan. Tsaka buti naman is naalala ng SMB na marami silang source of offense with their bench. Sabi ko nga sa preview video natin, battle of bench din to, and SMB is showing off sa third period para madikit na yung laban. Sa fourth quarter, nung sobrang lapit na ng SMB, TNT went to their star. And Calvin Oftana took advantage of the matchup na meron siya. Gusto siyang bantayan ni Jericho Cruz and Calvin was just calm to create and punishing him. Ayun pa nga yung naging turn around ulit plus yung 3-point shot ni Jordan Heading. Pero Motau Tuo, grabe yung pinakita sa larong to. Siya yung naging sandala ng SMB if they needed a point. Ang dami niyang touches and he did not disappoint. Pero may pang-counter palagi yung TNT. High screen action, tapos merong tao sa dunker spot. Kelly attacking the middle, tapos ayun, duck from BGR. After ng 4-point shot ni Don Trollano, ginawa na naman ulit ng TNT and SMB had no answer for that. Tapos sa crunch time situation, kinilite ni Jericho Cruz yung TNT. Coach Shot opted na mag full court inbound para ubos yung shot clock, resulting to a turnover para bumaba sa isa yung lamang. Pero buti na lang, may Jordan Heading na nag-stabilize ng possession at kalmado lang sa free throw line. Just a little disappointed sa action ng SMB to tie the ball game kasi isolation instead of running ng magandang play for a catch and shoot kasi sobrang haba pa ng oras Ayun, Mintese Trollano. GG, Game 1 para sa TNT. And kayo ba guys, let me know sa comment section kung ano yung need ng both teams para manalo sa Game 2.